What you see here is the GLI Porter LED from Bosch, work light and L-box in one. Mobile light is important if you do a lot of work on dark job sites. You'll always have this work light with you because it's integrated into this L-box. 60 LEDs provide bright daylight with a runtime of up to 9 hours. The box is extremely resilient, compatible with the entire L-box system and all 14.4 and 18-volt lithium-ion batteries from Bosch, and easy to transport. It's available in 3 different L-box sizes. Experience for yourself the GLI Porter LED Professional from Bosch, the perfect work light for every job.